Hello students, hope you all are going good. In previous video, we covered definition of rational numbers and its decimal representation. Now, we discuss the next topic, equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers can be obtained by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of the given rational number by the same non-zero integer. So, how we obtain equivalent rational numbers? These numbers can be obtained by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of the given rational number by the same non-zero integer. For example, we are given number -2/4. So, we can multiply it by any non-zero integer. Let us suppose multiply with -1. So multiply -1 in numerator and again in denominator. We get -2 into -1 equals to 2. 4 into -1 equals to -4. We can also multiply by another integer -2. Then we get -2 into -2 4 and 4 into -2 -8. So we can obtain equivalent rational number by multiplying. Then we also obtain it by dividing, like -2/4 equals, first we divide it by 2 in numerator and then in denominator. We have to take the same integer in numerator and denominator while multiplying or while dividing. -2 divided by 2 equals to -1 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore -2/4, 2 by -4, 4 by -8 and -1/2 are equivalent rational numbers because these numbers are obtained from -2/4. So -2/4, 2 by -4, 4 by -8 and -1/2 are equivalent rational numbers. So our next topic is rational number in its lowest term. So when we said the number is in lowest term, a number, rational number, is said to be in lowest terms if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So we can say rational number is said to be in lowest term if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So to express rational number in its lowest term, we have to divide numerator and denominator by their HCF. For example, we have number 15 over minus 25. We know that this number is not in lowest term because 15 and 25 have a common factor 5. So we divide 15 and minus 25 by 5 to get the number in lowest term. So 15 divided by 5 over minus 25 divided by 5 equals 15 divided by 5 is 3, minus 25 divided by 5 is minus 5. We know that 3 and 5 have no other common factor other than 1. So this is the lowest term. So 3 by minus 5 is in the lowest term. So lowest form is 3 over minus 5. Next, a rational number in the lowest term is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer. So when we said a number in lowest term is in standard form when its denominator is a positive integer. So if we have to write standard form of 3 over minus 5, then that is minus 3 over 5. We multiply it by minus 1 and minus 1 in numerator and denominator. It becomes minus 3 over 5. So our next topic is representing rational numbers on the number line. Like natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, rational numbers can also be represented on a number line. So let us represent rational numbers 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 17 by 8, minus 7 by 8 and 3 by 8 on a number line. So how we represent it? First we draw a straight line with arrows at each end. Now write 0 in the middle. Mark points 1, 2, 3 to the right of O and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on to the left of 0. We have to mark these points with equal spacing between them. So then we divide the space between two numbers into equal parts based on the denominator. Here denominator is same, that is 8. So we divide the space between two numbers in 8 parts. So these are the 8 parts. Next, after marking these divisions, we mark the required divisions that are equal to the numerators. So here we have 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 17 by 8, minus 7 by 8, and 3 by 8, minus 3 by 8. So now first we mark 3 by 8. So 3 is positive. So right of 0 is 1, 2, this is 3. So this is marked 3 by 8. Then next is 5 by 8. This is 3, then 4, then this is 5. So we mark it as 5 by 8. Next is 17 by 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then 17. So this is 17 by 8. Minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 means left of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is marked as minus 7 by 8. Next is minus 3 by 8. Again on the left side 1, 2, and this is 3. Minus 3 by 8. So this is the representation of rational numbers on the number line. So next is comparison of rational numbers. So first is if there is a comparison with the same denominator. If denominators are same, then the rational number with greater numerator is greater. For example, we are given 14 denominator and 11 by 14 one number, and other is 5 by 14. In these numbers, denominator is same 14, numerators are 11 and 5. So which digit is bigger? 11 is bigger than 5. So we can say 11 by 14 greater than 5 by 14. So this is the first case when rational numbers we have to compare have same denominator. If denominator is same, then we have to see the numerator. Greater numerator has greater rational number. Then second, comparison of rational numbers with same numerator. When numerator is same, rational number with smaller denominator will be greater. For example, we are given 8 by 11 and 8 by 13. Numerator is same, that is 8. So rational number with smaller denominator. Two denominators are there, 11 and 13. So smaller one is 11. So rational number with smaller denominator will be greater. So 8 by 11 is greater than 8 by 13. Next, comparison of rational numbers with different numerators and denominators. So how we compare it? We have to first find the LCM of denominators. So how to find the LCM? Like we have to compare 4 by 5 and 3 by 8. So first we find the LCM of denominators, then we express it as equivalent rational numbers with denominators equal to the LCM. Then in next step we have to compare the numerators of equivalent rational numbers. Greater is a numerator, greater is a rational number. For example, we have numbers 4 by 5 and 3 by 8. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. So first we make it denominator equal to LCM. So 5 we have to multiply with 8 to get 40. So 4 into 8 upon 5 into 8. This becomes 32 over 40, and 3 by 8, here to get 40 we have to multiply by 5. 3 into 5 is 15, 8 into 5 is 40. So we get two numbers equivalent, 32 by 40 and 15 by 40. So 32 by 40 is greater than 15 by 40, that is 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 8. Thanks.